Hey folks, Green Stuff Gav here. This week we've got another unboxing of the Imperium Magazine. Now, for those who don't know, Imperium Magazine is a subscription service by Hatchet Partworks, where they send you a magazine, which is good for players new to the game, where they can amass 2 different armies and paints and the associated paraphernalia, as well as learning the rules to 40k. So I'm opening it upside down so you guys don't see my address, but generally it's quite good value boxes, and each issue you get 4 a month, so every couple of weeks. So let's have a look what we've got. Ignore the letter. Nice binder. So let's just put this out of the way. Warhammer Imperium binder, so you can put all your issues in. Oh, okay. So you file them according to what they do, what they're about as well. I have to check the magazine, see if they how well they break down. It's cool. Right. So issue 10, 9, 8 and 7. So issue 7. No toy soldiers in this one, but 3 paints. Let's have a look. Corax white, very good paint. Goes straight over black as well. Mechanicus grey, quite a nice dark grey. And Retributor armour, which everyone has got 100 of. Let's have a look. Issue 7. Paint guides basically by the looks of it. Name generating table for the Ultramarines, that's quite cool. Names for Necrons. Hero stuff, which no one cares. Fluff. Some painting tips. The captain we got the other week on the last video. Obviously where we've got the white, so this follows, assumes you don't have any other paints or brushes than the ones they've supplied. And the brush they supplied was pretty awful, but the paints are standard Games Workshop paints, so that's quite cool. These are nice, these are little scenarios, not quite full rules, but each one teaches you a few bits and pieces. Obviously they've got, so theoretically, yeah, so you'd actually split your issue down according to the binder. There you go. Issue 8 has a Necron dude and some dice. Standard 12mm dice. Necron Overlord. Quite cool. Obviously I'm not doing anything with the Necrons, but Wib from Snipe and Wib did some a lovely yellow paint job, but Necron Overlords. A little bit, almost looks damage on that. Oh. Yeah, look, the pages are stuck together. Ew! Didn't think Necrons were that exciting. How to build, how to paint. Of course, now that we've got 2 different colours, gold bits. Yeah, this is damp. That's weird. Have to paint all the bits in black. So it's interesting they go through and paint so all of your Necron warriors, all the black bits first. Like, you do all of them, so you do your warriors, your Scorpeth, your Warden, your Overlord, so... Scenario, yeah, that's strange. You saw me open this and this thing's damp. I'd complain if I really was bothered. More Necrons edition 9. Looks like more tools this time. It's not surprising, we had some really good Space Marine issues, so Yeah, some immortals. Got all these little scarabs, they're cool. All the hanging bits on the torsos. I'm not sure about the busted Necron style they've gone for this edition. Oh, you've got all the cracks, all the cracked armour pieces. Oh, that's got Gauss blasters and whatever the heavy one's called, so I don't know if that does warriors as well. Let's have a look and see. Oh, warriors and scarabs, so you've actually got weapons options. That's cool. Flayers or reapers. Quite nice. I have to do, obviously, some bases have come as scarabs. Background. So again, these go into the binder according to what they're about. How to build Necron warriors. So they are actual Necron warriors, not immortals. Again, more story, more background stuff, more learning the rules. Story, fluff about Space Marines. Some nice big army photo. I like them. Robot Girly Man. Marnie's Calgar as well. I'm not up with 40k's background and story, so I'm not sure how well they get on. Issue 10, some more warriors. So no Space Marines this month. But we did have aggressors and assault intercessors last month. These are again Necron warriors. You can do blasters or reapers. Makes sense. It's the same sprue twice. So that's how you get your 10-man squad. So theoretically, that's whatever a Necron warrior box set is for 20 quid. I mean, most GW box sets these days are 25, so it'll be interesting to see. Yeah. Necrons, how to paint Necrons. Paint them silver or gold. Paint the rocks white. I presume we'll be getting a black ink soon and you put an ink over the rocks. Yeah, and then a game to play, scenarios. Yeah, all in all. So next month we get a librarian, which is nice. Agrax Earthshade, there you go. That'll go on the rocks. But not a great set for the Space Marine collectors, but for Necron players, it's good. And again, this is obviously designed for those who aren't war gamers or are new to the war gaming hobby, because obviously they're teaching the rules. I'm really surprised that's damp. I have to put that on the radiator. Yeah. But yeah, so I mean, it's again the thing with the Imperium Magazine. Same with the Conquest, I think the last one, where you got Space Marines and Death Guard, I do believe. So it's good for Necron players, and obviously we've got some Space Marines. I'm not doing much with the Necrons at the moment unless the inspiration takes me, but it'll be another project in the project box. Cool. But yeah, so I mean, $8.99 Primaris Librarian, they got to be about 12-14 quid from GW, so that's got to be quite good value, I suspect. Yeah, well, thanks for watching, and have fun.